become a valuable person.
We should read books because books offer a multitude of benefits, making them excellent companions and source of learning and growth.
Hello everyone, this side of Us Talks group, and today we are here to discuss our topic, which is Book Se Dosti. So without further delay, let's get started.
We should read books because books offer a multitude of benefits, making them excellent companions and source of learning and growth. Book provides knowledge, entertainment, and a unique perspective on life, making them valuable friends. And when we start reading book, so our mind is this much able that we can understand someone's thought, someone's feeling, like this type of things, and it helps us in our life. So I hope you got my point. Now I would like to listen to Nasiba.
So there are two questions which I have. First is, why should we read books? And the second one is, how should we read books? So the answer of first question is, we should read books to develop our confidence, to get to know about the world, to get to know about everyone's idea, people's idea, that how do they look the world. And when we read books, so we think something out of the box, our thinking power develop, and when we read books, so our words and expression become different to the other people who is non-reader, and it helps to become a valuable person. So we should read books to get these things. And the second question is, how should we read books? So everyone has their own choice that which type of thing they like, they don't like. So the same thing in a reading book, that you have to choose that which type of book do you like. If you like the normal book and like stories and someone's journey, so you can read it. But don't do like this, that if you are starting from today onwards, so after 5 days or 10 days you will leave it. No, it's not the point. If you start reading it, so start deeply and confidently, and after that you will definitely see yourself that how much knowledge you gain with the help of reading book. And you can also see the difference between two peoples, one is non-reader and the second one is reader. The non-reader will talk like absurd things, but the reader will give you the best experience of his life. Their expression, their words, their thinking would be different from the other people. For an example, you read any story, and after reading any story, you get that point that this is the summary of the story, and after that you tell it to the other people that I have read this story, and now you should now give me the idea that which type of summary do you get from it. So also with the help of it, you will get to know about the other people, that what do they think about this story and what's the idea of theirs. So with the help of reading book, you can get to know about the world and about the people. So now you have to choose that which type of people do you want to be, the valuable one or the ignoring one. So I hope you got my point. Thank you for giving your precious time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.